Okay, here we're going to dive into one of the files that CodeScene has identified as a refactoring target to better understand why it has the code health it has and what we can do to improve it. So here we're going to click on one of the files. In this case, it's the replication coordinator file. And we can see it has a code health of 1. But by clicking on the review button, we're going to open the virtual code review to really dive a bit deeper into this particular file. On the virtual code review page, we can see the code health trend for this file, and we can see that it's taken a gradual decline since 2023. Below that, we can see the various violations, the reasons why it has the code health it does today. For example, bumpy road, where we show you where the bumpy roads are occurring in the file, why bumpy road is a problem for those who aren't familiar with the term bumpy road, and also how you can go about fixing it. And if you have examples within your company of developers who have refactored bumpy road, we'll showcase the examples here to help developers learn from other developers and refactor faster. Below that, you also have the ability to set a goal. If it's something you're going to refactor, you can tell CodeScene, set it as a planned refactoring goal. And also, we provide various insights such as social and organizational data. Who's the main developer? Who would be best placed to refactor this? And for making the business case, we also present complexity trends and also cost per type of work. So the type of work that's actually happening on this file. And below that, we also have change coupling, where you can see when this file is modified, which other files tend to change with it as part of the same commit, enabling you to refactor not just one file, but two as part of the same work.